Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use checkpoints in Glide Tower. Checkpoints are essential for a smoother gaming experience, allowing you to save your progress as you ascend the challenging tower. We'll cover what they are, how to enable them, and why they are a game changer for reaching the top. Get ready to make your climb much less frustrating and more enjoyable. To enable checkpoints, you first need to complete 2 quick steps. Head over to Roblox and join the official Game Indo group. After that, make sure to like the Glide Tower game itself. Once these 2 actions are done, the checkpoint system will be activated for your account, ready to assist you on your journey up the tower. Once activated, using a checkpoint is straightforward. If you happen to fall from the tower, don't worry. Just press the escape key on your keyboard and then click on the respawn option. For an even quicker return, you can simply press the R key. This will instantly teleport you back to the highest platform you successfully reached, saving you from restarting from the very bottom. Using checkpoints offers several great advantages. They drastically cut down on frustration, as you won't have to restart the entire tower after a mistake. This means your hard-earned progress is saved, allowing you to pick up right where you left off. It also encourages you to take more risks and explore new paths, knowing a safety net is always there. Enjoy a much more forgiving and fun climb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.